Hello, friends. This is Jayant. Most of you may or may not know me, but I'm the one who knows all about the people who have published their life stories with us. So, coming on live was part of our plan, but we are waiting for some kind of achievement, like uh, like 10K followers or something like that. I would like to thank my dear friend Anis, who has inspired me to try it once, give it a go live on Facebook or Instagram. And I thought, yeah, we can start new things at any given time. We can't assume results without even trying. So today I have a special guest with me who has been an integral part of your dream tale. And yeah, she has been an integral part of the European Club when it comes to visualization of ideas. Yeah, she is none other than Pallavi Sharma. Let me add her to the live stream. Just one second. Hi, Pallavi. Good evening.
Hello. Yeah, hi Jed. Good evening. How are
Just
you?
one second. I'm not able to hear. I will add my earphone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this
So
Hi,
audible?
Pallavi. Good evening.
Hello. I think
first,
the voice is not clear.
Just one second. I'm not able to hear. I will add my earphone.
Okay.
first of all, thanks for trusting me and your dream tale, and very good evening. How are you? Excited, super excited.
I'm always excited. Normal. It's going great for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And thanks for inviting me to your live session, and adding me as your guest. So thanks to you as well.
yeah.
Yeah.
So can you introduce yourself and tell us about your journey till now?
I think the voice is if you remove your headphone, that will be much good. Like,
Yeah,
hello.
so I was telling, can you introduce yourself to our live user and tell us a little about your journey till now?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Okay. So, hello everyone. Like, basically, my name is Pallavi and I'm from Odisha. But currently, I'm staying in Pune for some time. It's been 5.5 years. Okay. So, in profession wise, if you ask me, like, I'm an entrepreneur having my own business into e commerce. Also, parallel to that, I'm working in Infosys. So, if you ask me the journey, how it is, how it's going, yeah, it's going fantastic. And through this journey of my life, I met so many amazing people like you. And also, I met my gurus, my mentors, and learned so many sessions also from that. So, and if you ask me, what I believe, yes, I do believe in spreading happiness and joy around the people and spreading love. And yes, I want to touch billion hearts and help as many as people I can do. So that is what I'm working for, and I'm having now the direction and proper work which I am working now to achieve my goal. So that's what from my side and my introduction.
Yeah, great, great. So I will give a brief like how we got connected for your dream tale. So basically, we were
Okay.
from same college, Gita, during BTech,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
different branch.
yeah.
So randomly
Yeah, from
someday on
different.
YouTube, yeah. So randomly someday on YouTube, I got to know about Pallavi's video. Somebody made video on her, like how she create and post collages of Facebook friends on for their birthdays, and yeah, bring a little smile on their face by wishing them and publishing those collages on her profile and stories. Yeah, you can say it may be small thing as a third person's perspective, but when I watched that video completely and got to know her reason behind it, I became a fan of her because, as she told, she's spreading positivity and happiness, and then connected with her on Facebook. And in fact, she is one of very few friends with whom I had discussed about your Dream Tales concept before starting. So yeah, that's how we got connected for your Dream Tale. So
Yeah,
for for our live users, can you tell us what was your reaction when you get to know about your Dream Tales concept or idea?
Okay. Yeah. Initially, frankly speaking, I was a bit hesitant, like to start any blogs or writing any blogs. But then you requested. I got to know from your blog, like you requested to write some blogs, like initially on dreams. So I thought, let me give it a try. Like maybe it will work out. Then first, the blog which I wrote, the name is like the story of a village girl, and it will always be remain special to me, and it got published on your dreamtel page, and thanks to all the readers and viewers for appreciating and liking it, and I just felt so much happy. And I think your dreamtel helped me a lot to unleash this one aspect of my life, to jot down my thoughts on paper and be read on the people by the people around. Yes, I think, yeah, yes, this is a good platform for the people to pen down their thoughts and learning also. So, and I also like the overall designing of the site, and it gives somewhat much more looks to the write-ups, and add some content also. So thanks to you and your team for creating this initiative and spreading a good work. Through this, many people will able to share their blogs, their live sessions, their learnings. So thanks to you, Jayant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Actually, I had taken some time to add those design elements. So
Okay.
I have kept it like that. Initially, some friends told me to change the design. I said, no, no, no. I want like this only. People are
Acha, okay.
liking it.
Yeah, that's awesome. Like it gives somewhat different look to
Yeah,
the
correct,
content
correct.
of the blogs. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll tell how you are integral part of your Dreamtel. So as I told in the beginning of the video, Pallavi is our an integral part of our team when it comes to content strategy or engagement activity. She has very busy and hectic schedule, but sometimes she allows us to steal some of her precious time happily. Till now, as Pallavi told earlier, her first article on your Dreamtail has the highest number of reads and comments we have ever had on any other article. So you can think there is some special connection when it makes other reader to connect with that article and posting their views. So yeah, so even I have thought like to suggest you can easily write a novel on your life experience.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. If I get time, I'll sure. I have a plan also to write a novel.
Yeah, great,
So
great.
actually, due to this hectic schedule, I
Yeah,
didn't get
no, I
time
know.
for that. But surely, I'll take that as a compliment for me. Yeah.
Great. So there is lot of disheartening news or concern people are facing due to this corona issue. So let's not discuss about that. On a positive note, how you are utilizing these days?
Okay, acha, okay. This lockdown, okay. So for me, like this lockdown is a surprise. Like for many people, it's a surprise, and for many, it's a shock. So a very few people are able to maximize the output, like are able to utilize it, and like maximize their productivity. For me, like I think I am in that few people who is able to utilize the lockdown period in a productive way. For like my whole day is packed up with lot of stuffs, like be it personal, be it professional, be it business, or be it job. So now I'm expanding my limits also, and I'm successfully doing micromanagement, because I'm saving lots of time for me. Okay, and also with that, I'm connected with my family, friends, and all those people whom I didn't connect, so which was bit missing long time back. So
Yeah,
this lockdown also came as a blessing for me, you can say. So if you ask me the time, like how I utilize it, I start my day with gratitude and affirmation. Yes, we should be blessed for everything and everything in our life, I think so. And then after that, I do my to-do list, like for the day, like an hourly basis, what I have to do, what is my plan. And I spent all the time, maximum time in that planning. Okay, and my biggest learning in this lockdown is like planning a day. I realized if one cannot plan the whole day, she cannot achieve or he cannot achieve what she wants. Okay,
Mm.
and I read it somewhere like a line somewhere like if we are planning to fail, failing to plan, we are planning to fail. So one
Yeah.
must plan out their day. One must plan out his or her day so that it can be productive. So like that, lockdown is going amazing, fantastic, full of plans, full of work. So it's fantastic. I'm enjoying it. So that's it for my side. Like
Yeah,
lockdown gave
great,
me
great, great.
so much to do. Yeah.
So yeah, great, great. So I think this whole situation is kind of a moment of pause, a silent reminder for all of us. Like we can't take things for granted. Like all we have to give time for our family, help the needy. Uh, like you said, we can feel blessed that we have our home, we are getting food, and we are working from home. That may be active, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's good
So
time to spend time with family, right? So
yeah, yeah.
earlier we are not having much time. Now we are able to give time to our family, to our kids, to our children, the people
Hmm.
who are feeling like time is the issue, like no time and
Yeah,
just walking.
yeah. Now we can't give excuse like no, I am at office, I can't talk right now.
Yeah,
So
yeah, that will be the lack of discipline, I feel. So if we give the excuse by being in home and we are saying the same thing, so
yeah,
we
yeah.
we not able to utilize the time properly.
So
Yeah.
any kind of challenges you have participated recently? Trending social media challenges.
Acha. Okay, good question. Actually, I do involve in various kind of challenges, and I love to be part in some positive or some kind of challenge which will help me and others also. And recently, I think I have participated one no sugar challenge for 20 days. Okay, the like it was like purely no sugar, and
Okay.
initially I faced some challenges, also some headache, some kind of vomiting feeling. But later, after 20 days, I think I lost 22 kgs. So it was good for me, like I enjoyed that challenge. And yes, I also participate in some productive and positive challenges. Okay, but yes, some of the challenge which are unnecessary, I don't feel so I should participate in that. Yes, but I
Yeah.
think good challenges make us like uncomfortable sometimes, uneasy sometimes. But yes, if we don't participate in good challenge, nothing will come out from that. So we should participate in something healthy competition or some healthy challenges which will give some result. So that's what is about my recent challenge, no sugar challenge for 20 days. That's all.
Okay. Nice, nice. So do you believe in hard work or smart work?
Okay. Okay. If you ask me, I feel like the young generation like today is more inclined to moreover smart work, because if you are doing the same things repeatedly doesn't mean it's hard work. Okay, it is only because of the hard work of our parents and of our dear ones that we are able to do what we are now. Okay, so I think hard work and smart work both goes in hand to hand. Okay, if we can't do any smart work until you put some hard work in that. Okay, and if you can't do hard work, the things which you have been doing for a while, to continue same way some smart work needs to be added to it. I think both are parallel to that. Okay, and next generation, like the current generation and the next generation of technology, is all about increasing the speed and the making it automated. As you know, automation is going on everywhere. Okay, so I think, moreover, for me, if you ask me, smart work is like planning my direction and my speed. Okay, and I was not focused earlier, like to change my direction or walking towards my goal. But yes, now the speed and direction, everything is clear to me. And you can call it as hard work or smart work. As for me, I am having the proper direction and speed as well to achieve my goal. So that is what I believe in, and I believe in planning and execution. So that is what for me, like if you want to differentiate between smart work and hard work.
So it's like we can keep the best from
Exactly.
smart work.
Proper direction and speed is needed, I think. Moreover, the direction is much more needed if you are walking somewhere, any goal towards any goal or any dream.
So
Yeah.
how do you keep your calm and positive, jolly mood all the time? Because I have never seen you tense, or whenever I see you, you are always in good mood, good space. Just
Acha.
tell us your secret.
Acha. I think why to be depressed, why to be angry? Like, I don't think there is any reason for that. Okay. And
Mhm.
yes, I am not that kind of person, but yes, I do get angry on myself sometimes. Okay. Like, for instance, like if I don't achieve my goals, like my dreams, that pinches me a lot, so I always work to achieve it next time if I miss it. Okay, and I do get angry, but not on others, on myself. Okay, and I always try to be like more cheerful and jolly. As I told you earlier, like I start always my day with gratitude and affirmation. Like, so that is what my you can say the thing which keep me always positive, jolly all the time. Okay, and
Okay.
I believe every person on this planet is given a certain period of time. Like, the person is having exact number of seconds, like how he will breathe. So why to run, why to waste the time in anger and depression and negativity? And yes, if you ask me like how it happened, and I believe meditation helped me a lot. Okay, and meditation, gratitude and affirmation, these things help me a lot, like to be positive, jolly mood all the time. So
Okay.
this is what, and if you say like the current situation, with much advanced technology, good lifestyle, salary, gadgets, we have lost the meaning of gratitude and humbleness. Like many people I have seen also, but if you keep practicing those things, I think it will be it will be amazing. The result will be amazing. The meditation and this gratitude affirmation.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that.
So, like you said recently, you are planning to write novels. So, coming to that,
Sorry. Hello, hello,
like,
hello.
hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me, tell me.
So, like you said earlier, you have plans to write novels. So, I'm coming back to that. Tell us about your writing journey so far. Can we expect more regular blogs from you?
Okay, acha. Okay. So thanks again to you, like for making me write, for requesting me, for asking me to write on dreams, through which I got to know like I can write some blogs as well. So, and forcing me also, I felt that that is a good decision I made, and my biggest learning in that writing blogs, like I felt like we have some amazing potential in us. Like if we want to achieve anything, we can work and achieve it. We sometimes we feel like we can't do that, or sometimes we try
Don't
to do
even
something.
try.
Yeah, exactly, and we fear, like we don't do that. Sometimes we feel that we may fail. So
Hmm.
that is what I realized in during that writing that blog. So we should try in life, and whatever we dream, we should work on that, and obviously we'll be achieving. Yes, as I told, I have my busy schedule and hectic schedule always. Yes,
Yeah.
but if I get some time, obviously I'll write more blogs on your dream tell. And for Nobel, yeah, in future I have planned to
Okay.
do so, so surely I'll do that.
Great. Great.
Yeah.
So, let's take some comments from live users.
Okay.
You can also check on mobile. I'm checking.
Acha, okay. I think those will come on the side. This side, this post will
No,
happen.
I think this is not public site. The
Okay.
comments will show on Facebook only. Yeah. The link I sent you, right? Same link you can see.
Yeah. I'm just seeing it. Okay.
Part of your dream tale. And yeah, this site. No, I think this is not public site.
Uh-huh.
So Sharma commented, more power to you, Pallavi.
Sorry.
Abhishek Sharma,
Mm-hmm.
more power to you, Pallavi. Titlanshu Kavi, nice idea for
Thank you,
live session.
Abhishek. Actually, he was waiting. He was waiting for me. Yeah. He
Okay.
was waiting to see it by 6, and he messaged me, I can't see you live. So after that, I sent him the link. So thanks
So
to you for watching this.
so Aryan commented, Jen, turn on the light, bro. This much light is there. I can't arrange any more light. And also he commented,
Sorry.
a big fan of you, Pallavi. Aryan,
Hello.
hello,
Hello. Yeah, it's
hello.
not audible. Can you repeat?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Tell me.
So
Yes.
Aryan commented, a big fan of you, Pallavi.
Uh-huh.
Aryan.
Okay, thank you, Aryan. We are from same college, and I think in college we didn't talk much, but later we got connected through phone. And yes, thank you, thank you for seeing it.
Nishan commented, amazing one, nice session. Thanks, Nishan. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
I think we have covered all the comments.
Okay.
So let's come to conclusion. Your thoughts on why people should share their story on yourdreamtale.com.
Okay. For me, I think your Dreamtel is a very good platform. For me, it's fantastic. Like for those like who want to start writing any blog, or they are not sure how to write or what to write, I think this is a good platform to begin with. Okay, so and a good aspect of this page I like about like people do not judge you based on their English knowledge or any content proofing. I always think like when you read any blog or any book, you don't read that book or blog, you read the person's mind. Okay, so
Correct.
correct. So how the person's mind is. Okay, and for the people with good heart and clear mind, I think your dream tell is the best place to look for. So I will suggest to the viewers to go through this your dream tell page and share their life sessions, their learnings and their stories, and you will feel amazing. And I felt inspired, and I started this writing. So thank you to you. Thanks to you, like for helping me in that, and helping me to find out the one of the major aspect. I feel so. So yeah, I'll continue writing and on your dream tell, and that's it. From my side.
Yeah, thanks a lot. You have
Yeah.
been
Hello.
yeah, thanks a lot, Pallavi. You have been a great friend. You have been a great integral part of our Your Dream Tell team. So I will be always happy to invite you again for live sessions. So please
Sure.
us
Obviously,
sometime.
we'll try and connect.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll connect sure
So
next time.
yeah. So
And
see
look,
you
this
soon.
live session is a very good idea. I feel so. Like the way you started
Yeah,
and
it
you
was
writed.
Aryan's idea.
Okay.
I had thought about it, but I was not sure like how to approach what exactly. But current situation and in during this lockdown, I figured out about the live, how to go live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I researched all the so I had covered all the things. Just that he give me one push. So I said, yeah, let's try.
Yeah, it's amazing. You keep on doing that.
Yeah, great, Pallavi. Have a great weekend.
Yeah,
Enjoy
thank you and
Sunday.
same to you. Yeah.
Yeah, bye,
Yeah,
bye
bye.
everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.